get on the Tiana. Mighty God, hear the screaming already. And we have to come out here in the night because in the daytime it is so hard to get on this ride. It's a new ride. Well, it's fairly new, one of the newest rides at Magic Kingdom. Never been on this one before, so I'm excited. Hopefully, it's worth the wait. Okay, so let's go. Nightlife. I never bring on yours at nighttime. We just bring on everywhere at nighttime now. Let's see. Here. Welcome in, guys. Thank you for the thumbs up. This is the one screenshot going on. Okay. All right, 25 minutes wait. Oh, good Lord. Not bad. Hey, known your friends who are going. What's up with the nightlife? Yeah, I've been busy all day, but I'm like, you know what? Still kind of early, so let's go. We are at Magic Kingdom, and we are try the Tiana. I think it's the Tiana ride. It's a water ride, guys. You know, say we are so cold. We're going at this, don't you? Yeah, as you can see, look on the line. Crazy. Crazy. But it's just a 25-minute wait comparing to when they are in the daytime. This is the life hack about the nighttime. They ride them, the wait time kind of shorter. Now, if I did in a day, you know, 7 days, I feel about 145, maybe a 1.5, especially since this is one of the newest rides here. So, you know, everybody I try to get in on it. But yeah, it's a move. I'm happy about that. And we're outside. You know, so I go drown, I go see if I have my water, my waterproof case in the bag because my tea. That go rough. Actually, we see if man. We see if we out here. But I know say, I bring on here so in a daytime, whole heap of time. I bring on here so a lot in a daytime. But I never get to see like the nightlife part of it. So that's why I say, you know what? I don't mind showing you guys like the nightlife because it is different from the day life. 100%. So, yeah. Let me put up a poll just so everybody can see where we're at. Welcome in, everyone. Thank you so much for the likes. All right, here we go. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you, known your friends. I appreciate you so much. Yes. This park, that's one I think so I love about Disney World. So far, it's safe. Before you enter the park, you walk through security. You also walk through one of those things we check like your metal or anything we're not acceptable in the park. You know, it scan you. So you have the security them I watch the screen. They come like say when you go through airport and do that whole body scan thing just to make sure say you're not bringing nothing unsafe. So yeah. What rider am I waiting for? Okay, so This one is the Tiana ride. Tiana's Bayou. I think it is fairly new. Never been on this ride before, so that's why I'm there and I want to like try it out. The wait time now are like 20 minutes, so yeah, me just go and stick around for that. Guys, make sure say uno put on uno life vest if uno can't swim because we are go drown. Me no know why me decide to wear pants because I know say when me done with this, me are go drown. But hopefully it's not too bad. I mean, not if we can't say I can't air dry because there is no sun. But you see people come out here, them in them Mickey ears and all of that, give the whole Disney experience. I like it. You know, some people in them matching shirt and all of that. Me just they are normal. Me not in all of them something there, you know. Yeah. Like me have me Mickey hat on them thing there, but me never wear none of them to them. I rather do that in the daytime. Protect my head from the sun. But thank you guys for the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Last week me bring on at Disney World, but the Epcot so good. Love Epcot food and them ride. I'm gonna bring it on the Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic ride. That was insane. That is probably right now my favorite ride of all time, honestly. And that was fun. I do have the live replay on my channel, so if you want, you can go ahead and check that one out. Here they have the Tron Lightning Run. Such a fun ride. It's like a motorcycle. Mighty God, me scream. Love that one. You have to hang on tight. It's like a bike. It will fling you left, right, and center. But that was so cool. May have all the live replays for that too on my channel. You can check it out. Every live me ever do, you know, there's a playlist. You can watch any one of them. Thank you guys. Thank you. But we're still in our line and boy, it move slowly but surely. But me not telling you lie, me feel better. At least the sun not beating on my forehead. Looks magical. Thank you, Manda. It is. It is. The whole experience. It is so cool. You know. I like it. But me not telling you lie, once this other lady, she have on the Maleficent horns. Look at that. Wanna see? That is so cool. I like that. But yeah, me supposed to have one bag, you know. Pretty girl, what going Polly? Me did have one bag, you know, to put my phone in and come. I say, you know what? I have to have one backup bag just in case I come to one of them places and I don't remember. I may not have my water case. So I did bring one. They look like me lefty. So guys, we're not going to drown, man. That's crazy. We're not going to drown then. I am so unprepared. I am so unprepared. We're going to drown. No, sir. Come let me fling it out of my bag. That's why I don't like change my bag. You know, you see, anytime I change my bag, I always left the things them when I need. I never need it until I change bag. You can imagine? I don't like that. Well, it look like so we have to go just drown and done, guys. I just saw. What do you think? Yeah. I just saw we have to go just drown and call it a day, right? Right. It's crazy. I'm good. Well, hey. It's okay. Probably have to go edit down the live here because we hear them play music I may have to go edit out the whole of the party. Antoinette, wagwan. Antoinette, we there wait in a line. Thank you for there wait for me. Nobody no look at snacks, no look at peanut, no look at nothing. Bigfoot, pepper shrimps. My God. Wow, that's crazy. I like when you're in a taxi in a traffic. I just want to see one peanut man I walk past. Something. Wagwan Antoinette, big of yourself. Thank you guys for being here. Yeah, we are waiting for one. We are going on one water ride. And you know, say, I don't have nothing for the phone, you know, so you know we have a drone. My so guys, even though say no upload from me, you know, so the phone can't see. Alright, I just have to put it out here for now. I just have to say, no new friends say, respectfully speaking, you know you're the only person I see go to all different places where you know that you won't see none of us there. Oh wow. Really no new friend. That's why I always bring on with me. So hello Ian, big up yourself, welcome in. Me always bring on places, you know. So you see if maybe one day maybe no birthday I come up or no day in an area, you know. Trust and believe God on time. You know, it help me. You say, you know what? Me see that place here, I say I want to go experience it for myself. And yeah, at least me have a little idea what to expect, and I want to like, you know, see it in person. You know what, I can just say, alright, yes, me I go. Cause one thing about me sometimes, it come like even when I try new food. It is nice to hear somebody else's opinion on it before you try it. I say, you know what, I don't want to try this because I know it's a hit or miss. But if somebody else try it and say, oh, you know, this nice or da 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 or whatever, you say, okay, I'll give it a go. The music is reading, I can mute out everything when the live is done. So I feel them sound enough for me. So and that's why I'm glad sometimes when I watch the live from early because you know, you get to see everything. But sometimes, like when me do the live replay, some of the things them in the audio copyright, so I have to remove it. So that's why sometimes you will hear some of the parts quiet. You know, you're like, what, the signal or whatever. But yeah. So yeah. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you guys for the love. So enjoy it from now. Make like how now wait with me door. See that we're not there too far enough. Look. Right up there so we are go. Right up there so we are go. But YouTube have a new update now where you can actually edit your live videos. So certain part you can cut it out completely. Like I can just go and edit this down. Like to where, you know, the exciting part one or whatever. And yeah, you can do that. But me not have so much time in our life. Me just left it raw as it is. Only thing I do, mostly I probably just remove the sound and that's it. But then I get to see everything. Yeah, Ben, me see it. Pick up yourself. But we're not there too far, guys. Look, right there, so. And see we are. Let's go around two more time. Oh, this is cool. Look at them have sweet pepper and them thing there. Onion. Sweet pepper and purple onion. I never see this again, so guys do not distract me. Watch the okra. Okay. Steamed fish. That no bad. Okay, Ben, not a problem. Enjoy the live. Where is this? No new fridge, big up enough. This is Disney World Magic Kingdom Park. We're now waiting to go on the Tiana ride. We're probably like 15 minutes away. Yeah, Tiana Bayou. So yeah.
This will keep your playtime down to the absolute minimum. Once down in the loading area, please inform the loading cab number, the total number of your party. Once again, y'all, please keep up that person in front of you at all times, filling in all available space. Thank you. We hope you enjoy y'all's visit here at Tiana's Foods and the rest of your evening here at the Magic Kingdom.
Oh, really, Carrie? The Tiana ride, yes. Carrie said, I've been there. I didn't want to leave. I stayed for a whole week. I love it. Wow, that's nice. You're rich, though. That's nice. What a blessing. Big up yourself. You went to all the parks? This is so cool.
You were just listening to the Blue Sky Soul Club playing Little Liza Jane. This performance is sponsored in part by Wong Family Group. A proud partner of Tiana's Foods. Wong Family Group.
But yeah, everybody eat dinner already. Sunday dinner. Everybody eat already? If yes, what did you have for dinner?
Now, here's Marvel Evangeline. Once again by the Blue Sky.
I do have a poll vote set up if you would visit here, so you can answer that in the chat as well, guys. Thank you. Thank you for the thumbs up. The Lion King. Yo, Antoinette, it's like you're a real Disney baby. You know all the songs. You know all the songs. Me not like the Tiana story. For some reason, it give me like a different version of Cinderella in a way. In a way, like in a way, it have some similarities. If you don't know what me I talk about. Ah, okay, Antoinette. So you love when me? Oh, that's so it's what's that N word? Nostalgic, something like so nostalgic. Me can't bother with them word they know. But you know me I try say don't. Nostalgic. Tony Stark. Wagwan. Wagwan celebrity. Welcome in. I say, me can't read. That I problem, me cannot read. But me glad you know me, I say. Nostalgia. Why back at the class? Ooh, oh my gosh, guys, look how this look cool. All right, we are at Tiana's place right now. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. This is so cool. No, them just capture everything. Wow. I like that door.
The last time Princess Tiana visited our station, she told a fantastic tale about a firefly named Ray.
Yeah. Enjoy jazz. All right, guys, we're in New Orleans. Okay? Yep, when you're at rooms, you do what the rooms do. Hey, time to dance. Hey, hey, hey. All right, guys. So we are going to step here now. You know, we're soon reach. Why am I not afraid to yet? I know I'm going to ball out, you know.
Hey y'all, welcome to Tiana's Bayou Adventure. While waiting in line, we ask that you please keep up with the person in front of you at all times, filling in all available space. This will help keep y'all's wait time down
Thanks
to
for
the absolute minimum.
posting.
While in the line,
You're welcome,
please keep both
Straits.
feet on the ground. Do not sit on the railing. Do not climb on anything. Once again, folks, please keep up with that person in front of you at all times, filling in all that available space. Thank you. We hope y'all enjoy y'all's visit here at Tiana's Foods and the rest of your evening here at the Magic Kingdom. Let the good times roll.
Alright guys, we are get somewhere now, I think. Hey, next time I remember me put my water case in my bag because look here. Look on this asthma. Look on this asthma. Look on this asthma. Put on raincoat. Jesus Christ, me I got drown people. Me I got drown. Me not have nothing, you know. Me not have nothing. Me doom. Me doom. Mighty God, I done it. I don't know what happened, Ian. Wow, that's crazy. Guys, what me fi do? If me get my raincoat, but I just put the phone in I. Me not even worry about myself. Me not just put on in I. You see, because I don't want to get sick. Me know say, not really take on a vitamin and them thing. They're blood weak. So me not just protect on now. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. Wow, is that the beignet? I am weak. This is so cool. Screenshot. Screenshot. Screenshot again. Right there, so she. Zoom up. Look at us. Guys are cooking. Like, where are the chefs? They me like this. I like that. That is so cool. Me say, hey, say, me I try contain myself right now because I want to go over there. I want to go over there. I just want to try one of them there and see how it tastes. Because I not lie, it look like it's edible. Alright, I could move people because you see, no, I not got this, The signal I dropped. Yeah, I figured. I'm in an enclosed area right now, so I see that the signal have some dead zones. I don't know if it'll go pick back up or not. Mighty God, hear it. I want to look at the other people them and see if all good Tony, no problem. Look how everything's so. Watch the people them. Let me see them wait. Mighty God, look there. Them drone. It's not too bad. Them alright. It's not too crazy. It's not bad. But this is what we're going on. The Tiana's ride. 2? Yep. Thank you. We're number 11. 11 right here. All right. Mighty God. Guys, I am so nervous. Huh? Uh-oh. Guys, when I'm ready. Mighty Christ. It's not look good enough. Why am I never afraid so yet? Why am I always do this to myself? Alright guys, we are.
Is that where you had it last time? Or did mommy hold it?
And I said, we can bring it down? Okay. Alright. Jesus God. Bumbo clot. Jesus. Well, guys.
When we go down,
Woo.
I told mommy and daddy. I told mommy and daddy we're about to get wet, aren't we?
My gosh. Guys, we are going up. We never afraid so yet.
Okay, we gotta go through.
Mr. Kisan to extreme. Really? Oh, that's fun. Well on there. I could have never. Guys, we never afraid so yet. We are going up. I know the big drop this. This could never be the big drop.
The big one?
I know it.
Are you sure?
I know it. Oh, I know it yet. Wow. I was so not prepared. Guys, this is the one that we have upon. The one that we have upon. Mighty God of Daniel. Whoa! Jesus Christ! It's green!
I'm gonna hold on to you.
Wow! Where is the exit button? Where's the exit? Yes, my never friends again.
look at Ryan, you here with Tiana.
Hello! Why we are up so high? Jesus Christ. Mighty Christ. Guys. Oh, not too bad. Lord of mercy. Whoa!
Man, it's hard to find a fan in the dark.
I'm scared. Is it coming? Yeah. Let me text daddy so we can start
It's
good
doing
night.
it. It's doing it. It's doing it. It's now.
I
It's
am
now.
so
It's
scared.
now. It's now.
It's now.
Yeah.
Why am I doing this?
I'm scared, Julie.
Then it don't.
I'm scared.
Oh my God.
Better hold on.
Uh-oh. We gotta hold on tight. Can I hold on to you?
Oh God. No, this a freak me out. Like, I don't even wanna. All right, me feel like I go hold the phone down so come. I can't go do this. Jesus Christ. Oh my God, guys, it's time. It's time. Fuck, 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 fuck. Bumbo clock. Guys, that was not it. False alarm. Oh my god, we're dead. Oh, bumbo clock. No, sir. Never again. Me and go on right after this. Me and go to the locally.
All musicians out here are cooking.
I'm scared. So aren't you gonna get soaked?
Yeah, probably that happens sometimes when you're commenting too much stuff. Sometimes YouTube will automatically do that too. Oh, Jesus. Minimum first aid. Guys, it's coming up, the big one. The big one. Wow. I literally thought the drop was over. It was a false alarm. For the thumbs up. Yeah, when you were saying a lot of stuff in the other lives and things, maybe that's why. Jesus Christ, I ate this bomba clot, guys, with reach. Jesus fucking Christ. I am dead. Jesus. Hang on to my phone. Bomba clot, guys. It's happening. Man, it's not it. Jesus Christ, me in the radio. Me in the radio to block.
That was terrifying.
I it. Jesus fucking. I ate this now?
Is that it?
No, I know it. I know it. Oh my God, how many of my friends are yet?
Is this it, Julie?
Wow, that's crazy.
Uh-oh.
Whoa!
That wasn't it either.
Hiya! Do you call shit? My gosh! No. This build-up is not. Yeah, maybe it was a spamming. Lord have mercy. Yeah, it could be spamming. But now you know, right? Jesus Christ. Alright guys, me have to go hold on the phone now. Lord. Lord. Father God. Father God. We are go up. We are go up. Mighty Jesus Christ. Just forgive me for everything I may ever do in my life, Father God. Oh. What am I to do? What am I to do? Breathe. Me for breathe. Oh my God. Guys, we are go up there. Wow. Why? Guys, we're hanging on the title. They're not gonna say nothing. What a wicked ride. Bye. Bye. Woo. Fucking hell. Holy shit. Ah! Wow. Jesus Christ.
Oh my God, that was a
I am weak. I am weak. I am crying. Wow. Woo. Wow. The blood of Jesus. Never again. That's it. That's it. Mm-mm. No slap. I'll may try contain the bad word them. Mm-mm. Watch your one more. That was scary. Why? My blood pressure go through the roof and just short. Yeah, that was too much. One more this. Tin. One could be everyone. I'm glad me know. I thought when the lager get more wet than that, but it never bad. Oh, a show. Boy, guys, we're not telling a lie. You see that right there? It's a real roller coaster. It have my emotions all over the place. Up and down, up and down. No man. Too much false alarm. I never like that. I never eat.